Welcome back to Caterpillar Cross Stitch. Today's video is going to be super exciting because we are talking all things 2026 All-Star membership. Hi, I'm Meg and I work in our social media department. It has been such a joy to get to know our lovely customers and communities as we develop and launch new designs. All-Star membership really is a super special place for mega fans and everybody who loves all things cross stitch. This is your chance as a cross stitch lover to take it to the next level and feel like a VIP. At Caterpillar Cross Stitch, we are trusted by hundreds of thousands of customers worldwide. We are award-winning and we have hundreds of 5-star reviews across Trustpilot and Google. The All-Star membership is truly for those who want that little bit extra. So if you love freebies, discounts, all the exclusivity, then this membership is for you. We have listened to all of your lovely feedback and we have put together the best offering for those of you that want this really special experience for the full year. You can join this great value membership on our website, caterpillarcrossstitch.com, from Friday the 5th of December at 7 p.m. UK time. For 2026, however, it will be a little bit different, but even bigger than ever. The 2026 All-Star membership will be open for 8 weeks only, so until February 4th. So once this date has surpassed, you will have to wait until the 2027 All-Star membership opens. With 98% of 2025 members recommending to a friend and wanting to join again, this truly is the best cross-stitch membership available on the market. Tweaked over the past 3 years to give the ultimate experience. The All-Star membership costs just around £4 per month. So over the 12 months, that equates to £49, which is crazy for the amount of benefits that you are going to receive, worth hundreds of pounds. There will be more details on this in the description box below. And one of the big changes that we are bringing in for 2026 is that your membership will become an annual subscription, making it so much easier to maintain. This means that by the end of 2026, after you've loved your year of membership, you will not have to do anything. It will auto-renew into 2027. One of the benefits that you will be receiving as a 2026 member is 10% discount across the store. Now, there are a few exclusions to this, however, it does include retreat tickets, stitch-alongs, kits, needle minders, and so much more. And this year, it also includes the crochet kits, so you can start a new craft at a discounted price. So if you do order from us a few times throughout the year, you've already saved that amount of money. And this 10% discount code can be used all throughout the year. So in 2025, members received 3 exclusive membership patterns. However, this year you are going to be receiving 4 exclusive patterns as an All-Star member. These are the 3 exclusive patterns that our 2025 All-Star members received. As a 2025 member, you received Timeless Tulips, Dial a Horse, and Once Upon a Time. Normally, these retail for around £6.90 each, so you've already got some amazing value included there. The 4 exclusive membership designs will be released throughout the year, and they are all very beginner friendly. So if you are new to cross stitch, they are going to be so enjoyable and fun and easy to follow. We have not included any speciality stitches, so there are no back stitches, no French knots. It is all full cross stitches. Now, we don't want to give away too much as we know you all love a surprise, but our 2026 patterns will theme around the Northern Lights, Geometry Sampler, Scandi Bear, flowers and animals. I'll get you thinking on those ones. This year, 2026 members will be able to purchase all 4 supply packs, which saves you 20% off. These supply packs will come in these white envelopes and they will be individually sealed, so it does keep the element of surprise throughout the year. You can choose to purchase these individually throughout the year, however, you will not receive the discount that you would if you were to purchase them all together up front. As a 2026 All-Star member, you will also be able to purchase the 10 patterns released in the 3 previous membership years. One thing I personally love about the membership is the exclusive Shooting Star needle minder that you will be receiving. Now, these needle minders are collector's items, so those of you that have been a member over the past 3 years will have already started your collection. Our 2025 needle minder here was loved by so many of you, and we had so many people asking where they could get one. You can only get one if you're an exclusive member. Needle minders are super strong, top quality, and will keep your needles safe. I feel like the places us stitchers find our needles is crazy. Teeth, sofas, on the cat, you name it, there's probably a needle been found there. So these needle minders are the perfect addition to your stitching stash. No more finding your needles in crazy places, because you can shake these needles as much as you want, your needle is not falling off. This year's needle minder is this gorgeous shooting star design, because you are all so special and can achieve anything you put your mind to. And I can guarantee that you will have people asking where your needle minder is from, and you can say it's an exclusive. Along with the exclusive needle minder, you will also have the opportunity to purchase 4 needle minders that match the 4 exclusive patterns. You can purchase these up front as a bundle for the 20% discount savings, or they can be bought individually throughout the year. However, you will not receive the 20% discount or the saving on shipping. There will also be an exclusive kit, pattern and project bag that will be released to members only throughout the year. Another amazing benefit that you'll receive as a 2026 All-Star member is a £10 voucher, so you can finally treat yourself to that product you've had your eye on. Or you can use that £10 voucher to go towards the members exclusive patterns, kits and project bag that were released in the members only area on the website, not available to purchase anywhere else. You will receive a printed keepsake welcome pack with information, codes and dates made even bigger and with more pages than it was in 2025. Also new for 2026 membership is that you will automatically be entered into our Lucky Dip. This Lucky Dip will give you even more of a chance to win a £30 Caterpillar cross stitch gift voucher. And you can also enjoy early access to event tickets. Across the year, there will be 6 members-only newsletters full of exclusives, behind the scenes and first to know information. We are truly inviting you into the world and the behind the scenes of Caterpillar cross stitch. There is also a members-only Facebook group with all the news and updates that you could need. This is such a tight-knit community group full of members only, and is the perfect place to make new friends. This group is the perfect place to be the first to hear what's coming up behind the scenes at Caterpillar HQ, and also be involved in the decision making of upcoming launches. It is the perfect place to become our friend, where you'll have a further in-depth view of what it's like at Caterpillar HQ. We also have the most amazing customer support team, so if you do have any questions, you can email us at support@caterpillarcrossstitch.com. We are also proud to offer a 100% satisfaction and money back guarantee, because we are certain you are going to love the products you're going to receive. It is the perfect time to treat yourself or treat someone you love. You can send this to a friend or a family member so that they can gift this to you this upcoming Christmas. This is a gift that lasts the whole of 2026. So please visit our website, caterpillarcrossstitch.com, to become a member from the 5th of December at 7 p.m. UK time. And remember, you only have 8 weeks to become a member. So after February 4th, 2026, you will have to wait until 2027 membership opens. Become an All-Star member and guarantee an incredibly crafty 2026. More details surrounding the 2026 All-Star membership can be found in the description box. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you next week. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel for weekly cross-stitch tutorials.